Hey, do you want to learn how to make an amazing beef and broccoli just like this? Stay tuned and watch this amazing video. Hey, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Thanks for tuning in again. Today, we're going to take a trip to China and I'm going to show you how to make beef and broccoli. Super easy meal, super quick, on a budget. Yesterday, off camera, I prepped this beef. And it's a flank steak that I cut thin on an angle to create more surface area when we go to cook it. And I marinated, and it's going to be in the description below. So I won't go through that now. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna walk us through our sauce that we're gonna make for this amazing dish. So basically, I'm just gonna take this pretty full quarter cup soya, add it to my beef broth, ginger, in, garlic, in the fish sauce, which is mixed with a little bit of sesame. Sesame oil, amazing, fragrant, nice tasting product, but it can overtake your dish. So just be cautious. If you love sesame, load it on, help yourself. And then my brown sugar, give that a quick mix here. A little bit of salt and pepper. You don't need much salt because there's a fair amount of soya sauce there, and the fish sauce is also salty. Some pepper, and there, your sauce is done. So now I'm gonna prep some broccoli, and what I like to do is I steam my broccoli separately, and I get it to about 3/4 steamed. Once my beef is ready to go, I'll add the broccoli to the beef, and put the sauce in, give it a quick stir fry, and then it's time to eat. Okay, so it's time to cut up some broccoli. So we'll just take the main stems off here. And I'm gonna steam my broccoli in a double broiler. So I'm gonna use this double broiler as my strainer to give it a quick wash as well. It just saves on dishes. So give that a slice. I should mention as well, and I know it's kind of a trendy thing right now, this is a total keto dish because I'm not gonna add any rice or any noodles. It's just gonna be beef and broccoli. So for those of you who are living a keto lifestyle or like keto meals, this would be a good one for you. Oh, welcome to the stove. Okay, I put a couple tablespoons of avocado oil in here. Olive oil works fine as well. And now I'm going to start to add my beef and get it brown. Carefully add this in. As you can see, there's a fair amount of beef here. So we're going to leave that on there for a few minutes undisturbed. Try to get a little bit of caramelization if possible on the backside of that beef, and then we'll give it a toss with a spatula. All right, so I just reduced the heat on the stove here, and I'm gonna deglaze the pan. Sounds fancy, right? But basically we're just gonna pour in our sauce and just mix that up. Recording. The descriptions are, wow.
I was thinking